Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 21 based on triangles. First question. What are similar figures? What are similar figures actually? All the geometrical figures having same shape. Geometrical figures having same shape are called as similar figures. So they must have same shape. So such a type of figures are called as similar figures. Coming to the next question. What are the conditions to be satisfied for two polygons of same number of sides to be similar? So for two polygons of same number of sides to be similar, it has to satisfy two conditions. What are those two conditions? First one, the angles, the corresponding angles part must be equal. The angles must be equal. And the second one is the ratio of the corresponding sides. The ratio of their corresponding sides must be proportional. Corresponding sides must be proportional. Proportional means the ratio must be equal. Okay, so must be proportional. Proportional. So let us take one example and let us take it out once. See, ABC is a triangle and I am taking one more triangle PQR. PQR is one more triangle part. Now, to prove these two triangles as similar, the conditions must satisfy. The conditions here is angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. First thing, angle C equal to angle R. The corresponding angles must be equal. And with respect to that, ratios of the sides, that means AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, BC by QR is equal to CA by RP, CA by RP. All the three must be equal. These are the conditions to be satisfied for showing the polygons of same sides to be similar. Coming to the next question. What are the conditions to be satisfied for two polygons of same number of sides to be congruent? So the same thing here, when you come to this part, so to prove them they are congruent, the conditions are almost same. The angles must be equal, the corresponding angles of those two polygons must be equal, and with respect to that, the second important thing is the sides must also be equal. Sides must also be equal. That means if you keep the object one upon the other, they must coincide with each other. All the sides must coincide with each other. Let us suppose if I take a triangle, see here, an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle of 60 degrees. So we know that each angle will be 60 here. And let us suppose equilateral triangle of 3 centimeters. And here, the same. One more equilateral triangle PQR of 3 centimeters. If you observe properly, you can see clearly that angles are equal and the sides are also equal. Then those two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. That means those two polygons are said to be congruent to each other. Now let us come to the next question. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. If you observe the two quadrilaterals correctly, you can see that the ratios of their sides, that is PQ by AB, is equal to 1.5 by 3. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Similarly, if you take the ratios of other sides the same way, QR by BC is also 1.5 by 3, that is 1 by 2. And next, RS by CD is also equal to 1.5 by 3, that is 1 by 2. And the next one, SP by DA. SP by DA, that is also 1.5 by 3, that is 1 by 2. The ratios of the sides are equal, but the thing is angles are not equal. Here the angles are 90 degrees each, since this is a square. And if you observe this, since this is a rhombus here, the angles are not 90 degrees. That's why, since the angles are not equal, hence those two triangles are not, those two figures are not similar to each other. They are not similar to each other. This is question number 4. Coming to the next question. Give two different examples of pairs of similar figures and non-similar figures. Now, let us come to the solution for this. Similar figures and non-similar figures. Similar figures means simple thing is the shape must be same. Let us take circles. All circles, if you take of same radii or of different radii, okay, even though if they are of same radii or different radii, but the shape remains the same. That's why all circles comes under similar figures. Similar figures. And the next, in the same way, one more example, if you take all equilateral triangles. All equilateral triangles you can take, they may be of different sides. That means the measures of the side may be different. Suppose if I take one equilateral triangle of 3 centimeters and one equilateral triangle of 5 centimeters. Here, the angles and the ratios of the sides will be same. That type of figures are coming under similar figures. Now let us take non-similar figures example. Simple thing, non-similar figures is nothing but the shapes are different. So let us take, if I take circles and squares. Here, since the shapes are different, they will come under non-similar figures. If I take one more example, the same thing, triangles and rectangles. These also, since they are of different figures, the shapes are different and they are non-similar figures. Now coming to the next question. Are two triangles similar? Now if you observe properly, first let us compare the angles. Angle A is equal to angle P, that is 50 degrees. Angle B is equal to angle Q, that is 70 degrees. Angle C is equal to angle R, that is 60 degrees. Now you can see that the angles are equal. Now let us try for the ratios of their sides. AB by PQ is equal to 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. Next, BC by QR, that is nothing but 5 by 10, that is again 1 by 2. Next, AC by PR or CA by RP. Anyway, you take CA by RP is equal to, CA by RP is nothing but 7 centimeters by 14, that is again 1 by 2. Here you can see that angles are equal and respective corresponding sides ratios are also proportional. Hence, those two triangles are similar to each other. How do you represent triangle ABC? This is a symbol used to represent similar. Is similar to triangle PQR. This is the question that is regarding the similarity of triangles. This completes this assignment. Thank you.